Why did scientists create a human-chimpanzee hybrid, only to euthanize it weeks later? What drove them to embark on such a controversial journey, and what were the consequences of their actions? In a groundbreaking yet controversial experiment, a lab in Florida successfully created a Humanzee, a human-chimpanzee hybrid. This experiment was not just a scientific endeavor, but a bold attempt to explore the very essence of what it means to be human. Inspired by Charles Darwin's theories and earlier attempts by Soviet biologist Ilya Ivanovich Ivanov, scientists sought to blur the lines between humans and our closest primate relatives for potential medical advancements. They hoped that such hybrids could unlock new pathways in understanding genetic diseases and organ transplantation. However, the excitement of scientific discovery was soon overshadowed by a growing sense of unease. The creation of a Humanzee was not just a technical achievement, it was a profound ethical dilemma that challenged the very foundations of morality and human rights. But what seemed like a scientific triumph quickly spiraled into an ethical nightmare. The scientists were faced with questions they had not fully anticipated. The birth of this hybrid raised profound questions about its status, rights, and the moral boundaries of scientific exploration. Was the Humanzee a human, an animal, or something entirely different? What rights did it have, and who was responsible for its welfare? Faced with these ethical dilemmas, the scientists made the tragic decision to euthanize the infant Humanzee within weeks of its birth. This decision was not taken lightly. It was the result of intense debate and soul-searching among the researchers. The lab was filled with a somber atmosphere as the researchers grappled with the consequences of their actions. The Humanzee's brief existence had forced them to confront the limits of scientific exploration and the responsibilities that come with it. This decision underscores the deep ethical challenges and unintended consequences of such experiments. It highlighted the need for a careful consideration of the moral implications of scientific advancements. The Humanzee's brief existence serves as a stark reminder of the moral responsibilities that come with pushing the boundaries of science. It is a cautionary tale about the potential dangers of unchecked scientific ambition. Despite the controversy, this experiment paved the way for more ethically sound research methods. Scientists have since become more aware of the ethical implications of their work and have sought to develop guidelines to prevent similar situations in the future. Scientists have since focused on studying human organ development using monkey embryos in controlled lab settings, steering clear of creating full-fledged hybrids. This approach allows them to explore the potential medical benefits without crossing the ethical lines that the Humanzee experiment did. By focusing on controlled experiments with monkey embryos, researchers can still make significant advancements in medical science while adhering to ethical standards. This method has already shown promise in understanding organ development and genetic diseases. The legacy of the Humanzee experiment continues to spark debate and highlights the need for stringent ethical guidelines in scientific research. It serves as a reminder that scientific progress must be balanced with ethical considerations to ensure that the pursuit of knowledge does not come at the expense of our humanity. It emphasizes the importance of balancing the quest for knowledge with respect for the sanctity of life, regardless of its form. The Humanzee experiment has taught us that the ends do not always justify the means, and that ethical considerations must always be at the forefront of scientific research. So, what do you think? Should science ever cross these ethical lines? The debate continues, and it is up to us to ensure that future scientific endeavors are conducted with the utmost respect for ethical principles. Let us know in the comments. Your thoughts and opinions are crucial in shaping the future of scientific research and its ethical boundaries. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing stories from the world of science. Stay informed and engaged as we explore the fascinating and often complex world of scientific discovery.